My crown just chipped, the outer side of it broke off clean, still have the piece. Can I repair it? I don't have dental insurance for another 2 months as I just started new job, thank you.
Welcome to JustAnswer, and thank you for putting your trust in me. If your crown has a metallic substructure, i.e., your crown is a porcelain-fused-to-metal crown rather than an all-porcelain crown, the tooth is still sealed, and repair of the crown would only be necessary for cosmetic reasons. If the tooth is not in an area that is conspicuous, you can forego the repair until you are able to have a more formal professional intervention. However, if the breakage poses a significant cosmetic liability, you may attempt to reattach the piece using a commercial cyanoacrylate cement, such as crazy glue or superglue. You will need to be careful to avoid contact between the cement and your finger to avoid gluing the chip to your finger. Use tweezers if possible. Dry the tooth and the porcelain fragment before starting. Use a small amount of cement on the fragment. Carefully position the fragment on the tooth. Use a toothpick to help maneuver the piece, taking care not to get cement on your lips or other soft tissues, and retract the lip for a minute or two while the cement dries. Be advised that this will provide no more than a temporary repair. You will need to have your dentist make you a new crown for a more durable solution. Hope this helps.
Thank you. Mine looks like it is all porcelain, all the adhesive still covers my tooth. Can I still repair with cement/glue for now?
You may still use cyanoacrylate glue. If your crown is all porcelain, it might explain why it broke. All porcelain crowns are more fragile than porcelain-fused-to-metal crowns, and you may wish to consider whether your next crown should be the stronger, porcelain and metal variety. Good luck!
Thank you very much. I will make sure to get a porcelain and metal crown next time.
You're welcome. Good luck!
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.